Hi, my students. Good evening, everyone. I hope that you are very well. Today we will talk about materials. We will learn how to ask about something. What is it made of? It's made of something. In this unit, we will talk about materials. We will learn how to ask about something what is made of, like this. It is made of a glass, for example. For example, this is a window. This window is made of a glass, okay? This door is made of wood, glass, wood. These are materials. It is made of, here we will write the material. Question. We will form the question like this. What is, for example, the object, window or door, made of? It is, or the window is, made of material name, wood, glass, anything. What is this jug made of? What is this jug made of? It is made of clay. Clay means الفخار. What is this table made of? This table is made of wood. This table is made of wood. And here we have some vocabularies. You have to have the most important vocabs in this unit. Clay, 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 wood, 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 glass, 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 metal, stone, spoon, bottle, jug, fork, vase, knife, knife. K is silent. Statue, statue, collection, collection, objects, toys, balls, coins. Now, activity book. This vase is made of clay or wood. This vase is made of clay. الفخار. It's from the 2nd century. 2nd century, القرن الثاني. Look at this beautiful bottle. Look at this beautiful bottle. It's made of clay and it's 2,500 years old. This jug or spoon. This is a jug or spoon. This is a jug. This jug is from the 2nd century. It's made of glass. Glass is a material, a زجاج. Look at that spoon. Look at that spoon. It's made of metal. It's 300 years old. Metal means معدن and fork شوكة. Spoon ملعقة. So it is a spoon. You have to know these vocabs. Complete. Bottle, spoon, clay. Question number 2. Bottle, spoon, clay, jug, of, old, glass, made, metal, vase. You have to know all these vocabularies. This bottle is 2,500 years old and it's made of clay. Each one refers to the first picture, 2 to the 2nd picture, 3 to the 3rd picture, and 4 to the 4th picture. Now, people carried water in this jug. It's 2,000 years old and it's made of glass. This spoon, according to the picture, is from the 2nd century. It's made of metal, according to the previous question. I like this beautiful vase. It's made of clay. It's very easy and I hope that you are understood the informations. هلأ أنا أرسلت لكم صور كل التمارين، لكن هذا التمرين رح نحله مع بعض. The Petra Museum. The Petra Museum. متحف البتراء. I am doing a project about the collection of objects in the Petra Museum. People lived in this city 6,500 years ago. The Romans came here 2,000 years ago. Today, there are more than 600 objects in the museum. Objects means مجسمات. In the first room of the museum, there is a collection of statues. These are my favorite statues. They are made of stone. I think they are very beautiful. There is a collection of pots too. These bottles and bowls are made of clay and they are very heavy. They are about 2,000 years old. There are jugs made of clay too. In the past, people to carry water. They put olives in jugs too. In the third room, there are smaller objects. This is a collection of coins. These coins are small and round, and they are made of metal. Now, we will look at this paragraph from the beginning. The Petra Museum. The Petra Museum. Petra al-Batra. The is an article. And here we have by Faisal. By Faisal means who's write this paragraph? He is Faisal. فيصل هو الذي كتب هذه الفقرة. I am doing a project about the collection of objects in the Petra Museum. This sentence is the topic sentence of this paragraph. I am doing a project. A is an article about the collection of is a preposition, objects in the Petra Museum. People lived in this city 6,500 years ago. The Romans came here. Came is the past simple of come. 2,000 years ago. Today there are. Are is verb to be. More than 600 objects in the museum. In preposition. In the first room of the museum, there is a collection of statues. These are my favorite statue. They according to statues made of stone. I think they are. They also, it refers to statue. Very beautiful. Beautiful is an adjective. There is a collection of pots too. These bottles and bowls are made of clay and they are here, this pronoun, according to the bottles and bowls. Very heavy. Heavy, ثقيل, adjective. They are about. They also according to the bottles and bowls. 2,000 years old. There are jugs made of clay. In the third room, there are smaller. Smaller is an adjective, but in comparative form. Objects. This is a collection of coins. Coins اللي هي عمل النقدية. These coins are small and round and they are made of metal. Metal اللي هو المعدن. Okay. According to this paragraph, you will answer these questions, yes or no question. Now, I am doing a project about the collection of objects in the Petra Museum. أنا أقوم بعمل مشروع عن المجسمات، مجموعة المجسمات الموجودة في متحف البتراء. People lived in this city 6,500 years ago. الناس عاشت في هذه المدينة من 6,500 عام. The Romans came here. الرومانيون قدموا إلى هنا منذ 2000 عام. Today there are more than 600 objects in the museum. والآن في أكثر من 600 مجسم داخل المتحف. In the first room of the museum There is a collection of statues. في الغرفة الأولى في مجموعة من These are my favorite statues. هي تماثيلي المفضلة. They are made of stone. مصنوعة من الصخر. I think they are very beautiful. أعتقد أنها جميلة جدا. I think تذكروا سادس لا expressing your opinions. There is a collection of pots too. These bottles and bowls أوعية عميقة وbottles أوعية وتاريخية وهي تحف are made of clay مصنوعة من الصلصال الفخار. They are very heavy ثقيلة جدا. They are about 2000 years old عمرها 2000 عام تقريبا. There are jugs made of clay and في كمان jugs made of clay too. In the past people used these jugs to carry water. They put olives in jugs too. كانوا يحطوا في الجرار يعني بمعنى الجرة يحطوا فيها الماء والزيتون. In the third room there are smaller objects. في الغرفة الثالثة في تحف أصغر كمان من الفخارات والجرار. This is a collection of coins عمل نقدية. These coins are small and round. هي صغيرة تأخذ الشكل الدائري and they are made of metal ومصنوعة من المعدن. You have to answer these questions after listen to me.